Hello guys, welcome back to the Cantonese. I am Louis Lots of students told me that they have already learned a bunch of words, grammars, basic structures, but once when they face with your Cantonese people, they feel like they can't speak. So today I'm going to give you a real life Cantonese learning. Before we start it, let's check have you turned on the notification bell. I found out that lots of students can't receive the notifications of my videos, so please double check it, okay? First, let's try to look at this picture. Could you describe it in Cantonese? The guy in the middle would like to say, 可唔可以遞啲意麵俾我啊？可唔可以遞啲意麵俾我啊？遞 this is the action of 遞. After you sneeze, you can ask your friends, 可唔可以遞張紙巾俾我啊？可唔可以遞張紙巾俾我啊？紙巾 tissue. 張 is the measure word for something flat. 一張紙巾 or 一張台俾我 to me. 可唔可以遞張紙巾俾我啊？可唔可以遞張紙巾俾我啊？ Your turn. Very good. So for give, we learned 俾 before. What's the difference between them two? 遞 and 俾 are similar, but 遞 is more about passing, transmitting, this kind of stuff. For example, if we try to hand over the recitement letter, 遞辭職信 resignation letter, 遞辭職信 hand over the resignation letter. Then the woman in red may say, 夾多啲啦. Our Chinese pick up food with chopsticks, so we use 夾. For example, 夾餸, pick up the dishes, 夾餸. I know that in the picture they use the forks, right? It should be 叉, but since we are Chinese, we normally pick up the foods with the chopsticks, so we use 夾 here. Pick up more dishes, 夾多啲餸, 多啲 more. Sin first. 夾多啲先啦. Your turn. Amazing. 夾多啲先啦. Pick up more dishes first. We scooping is 筆. For example, if we go back home, our moms make some soup. They always say 筆多兩啖湯啦. Scoop with the spoon. 多 more. 兩 here means fill. 啖 mouthful of 湯 soup. 筆多兩啖湯啦. Spoon fill more soup. 筆多兩啖湯啦. Your turn. Quite good. This guy have already got a lot, so he might say 夠啦. Sometimes our Chinese friends are so friendly, they wish you can finish all dishes they have prepared. It shows that you really like their food, but maybe you just have a bird stomach, so you can just smile and say 夠啦, like this. So 夠, it means enough. 夠啦, oh, it's enough for me. But if you don't smile and just say 夠啦, it's like, I'm sick of you. Don't do that to me anymore. Okay, and people will be very mad. So the left guy, waiting for a long while, he might say, 得未啊？我好肚餓啊。得未啊？我好肚餓啊。Have you done? Did you finish? I'm hungry. So 得 is like, is it done? Is it okay? 未啊 is a perfect tense. 肚餓 hungry. 得未啊？我好肚餓啊。For example, when your mom is still prepare the dinner at 8 p.m. and you come home and then you say 得未啊？食得飯未啊？我好肚餓啊。得未啊？食得飯未啊？我好肚餓啊。 I don't suggest you to say this all the time, especially to your coworkers or unknown friends. This sentence implies the feeling of complaint and tight of the current situation. So if your girlfriend is still putting on her makeup when you two are supposed to go out, then if you say 行得未啊？行得未啊？ Could we go now? I guess your girlfriend will act like Rachel on Friends.
I'm not gonna go.
So just saying it to your best friend or family are okay. Okay, the next one. Oh, the little kid see the yummy eating. Maybe she say 我又要，我又要。I also want it. 又 also. So when your mom makes a cake and asks you, who wants to eat? And then your sister say, 我食. You can say, 我又食, 我又食. I also eat. And this uncle next to him is 鋸緊扒, 鋸緊扒, 鋸 sawing. So 鋸緊扒 actually literally sawing the steak, but it means eating the steak. So he might say, 啲牛扒5成熟，啱啱好。啲牛扒5成熟，啱啱好。牛扒 the steak. So we have 雞扒、豬扒。So 5成熟，5成熟。So 5成 actually is 50%. 熟 it means cooked, ripened. So 5成熟 means medium. How do you like your steaks done? For me, 7成熟 is okay. So 7成熟literally means like 7% done. So it's medium well. 7成熟. So medium rare is yes. 3成熟and 1成熟 is crazy for me. So when the waiter asks you, 啲牛扒要幾成熟啊？啲牛扒要幾成熟啊？ Your answer? Very good. So 我份牛扒要5成熟。我份牛扒要5成熟。Medium for my steaks. 啱啱好means just right. So when you finish work and go back home in a rush to trying to have a lesson with teacher Gloria, and then when you just come back at the right time, so you could just say 啱啱好啊，啱啱好啊. Your turn. Very good. No worries, Glorious will wait for you all the time. I hope you won't give up this beautiful language because you feel guilty. Last but not least, there is a pop quiz. Fill in the blank with the keywords and sentence. Number 1. 我食唔晒㗎。我食唔晒㗎。Right. 夠啦，我食唔晒㗎。夠啦，我食唔晒㗎。Number 2. 你買，我買。你買，我買。你買，我又買。你買，我又買。Number 3. 我搭到巴士。我啱啱好搭到巴士。我啱啱好搭到巴士。可唔可以遞支水俾我啊？可唔可以遞支水俾我啊？唔好夾豬肉俾我，我唔鍾意食豬肉㗎。唔好夾豬肉俾我，我唔鍾意食豬肉㗎。行得未啊？好夜啦。行得未啊？好夜啦。我嘅牛扒要5成熟。我嘅牛扒要5成熟。 That's what we learned today. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumb up and also leave me a comment. Your likes and comments are motivation for me to keep going. Glad to see you. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.